Hey there, fellow web designers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial in store for you. We'll be exploring how to add a cool image stack group widget in Elementor for free, using the fantastic Happy Elementor Addons plugin. First, we need to add a plugin called Happy Elementor Addons. Once the plugin is activated, go to the plugin settings and enable the image stack group widget. By default, it is already activated. You need to add the widget to the suitable place of your website. Here, we'll showcase our website images. After adding the widget, in the content items, you can add and remove items. Also, you can copy an item. You can also write a tooltip for the icon and set the position of the tooltip. In the style settings, you can customize the design in your own way. Here you can set the item size, icon size, spacing, border size, border color, and border radius based on your design purposes. After customizing the design, You can see the final output on live website. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our future tutorials. Also, remember to share this video with your fellow web designers because knowledge is meant to be shared. Thank you.